Hello students, today we are going to discuss one more operation of your polynomials, that is your division of polynomials. Means we have two polynomials, maybe monomials are there, maybe one monomial, one polynomial is given. So how you divide these things? For this we will discuss one by one two various types of method with along with your solutions, along with your questions given in your book. Now first one is your monomial by monomial. Suppose if you have one monomial in a question in a dividend form and other monomial in a divisor form, then how you solve that one? In that case, always remember that, see, I am discussing about monomial by monomial. Means, for example, question can ask you divide. I am choosing one example, very simple example, 28 a to the power 3 b to the power 2 c by 7 into a into b. So these terms are clear. This is your one term, this is your other term, both are monomials. How we divide this one? For this we use, always remember, for this we always use laws of exponent, laws of exponent of division. Laws of exponent of division said what? If we have same base with different power divided, in this case we have same base with different powers. What we have as a result? As a result, powers must be subtracted. So a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. What does it mean? It means that if we have this is equals to a to the power m by a to the power n, so we subtract n from m, so a to the power m minus n. We use this concept to solve this type of questions, means where monomial by monomials are given. So let's start. So in this case, how we solve? Solution: 28 a cube b square c divided by 7ab. Always remember that numeric coefficients do their operation separately, and in case of literal coefficients, each base or each variable do the division with the same variable, not the different variable. So in this case, what we can, I am adding an extra line for you. So we can easily write 28 upon 7 multiply, because multiply signs are given, then a cube by a, because a is given, into b square by b. Since here c is given, there is no more variable, so we use 1. Now from this you can easily understand that how you solve it. It's a 7 1 ja 7 4 ja left, and rest part need not to cut. This is only for your understanding. So how we solve this one next part? Now all of you are observing that this is with the same base and no base is there, so I put 1. But in your solution you must divide this with this. It's a 4, so we can write down 4. Here we have a to the power 3, and this have running power 1 goes upward with a negative sign. Then what? Then we have b, so dot b to the power 2 minus 1, because one power is there, dot c CD over 1, there is no more C, so as it is. So ultimately what we write? 4 a to the power 2 b c. This is your solution of monomial by monomial. I discuss one more question of monomial by monomial, then I discuss the next new part. So okay. In this case, I am using two variable, two monomials with different sign. As we know that same signs are given, we can signs are easily cancels each other. But in this case, one more question is given. 48 a to the power 4 b to the power 5 c to the power 6 divided by in bracket minus 16 a square c square. This is clear. We can easily write down 48 into a to the power 4 b to the power 5 c to the power 6 minus 16 clear. Now here we have plus sign, here we have minus sign. To plus divided by minus, we have result in minus, so write in minus. 16 3s are 48, write down 3. Then a to the power 4 minus 2 for this. There is no b term, so write down b to the power 5. C to the power 6 minus 2. Solve it. Minus 3 x square b 5 c 4. So likewise we can solve monomial by monomial. Now we are going to discuss one other topic. Okay, we are going to discuss another topic. It's a polynomial by monomial. Means what? Polynomial given as a dividend and monomial given as a divisor. So for this, I have chosen one question from your book, and once discuss this one. This will satisfy all the conditions. As you know that change of sign, if there you must change, but how you solve this one? So first write down in mathematical form. Use bracket 3 upon 4. This divided by 1 upon 3 a b c. Okay, you can use bracket. Clear? Now, how we write in fraction form? 3 upon 4 I hope this thing is clear. Now, what to do next? Here we have polynomial, here we have monomial. So remember, you must divide each term of this polynomial by this polynomial. Means what? You can divide this 3 upon 4 a b c by 1 upon 3 a b c. Minus sign is there, use sign of polynomial minus 2 upon 5 a square b c square by 1 upon 3. This is not clear to you. Clear? Then we have plus sign, so use plus sign 1 upon 7 a b square by 1 upon 3 a b c. So if you divide each term of given polynomials by the divisor, that is your monomial. So in this case 3 upon 4 ABC by 1 upon 3 ABC, 2 upon minus, we use the same sign, minus and plus, and then use this, we do the test this one again and again. Now we can easily simplify. Let me rub this side. Now I am going to write this side. Okay, this side is best for you. From this, we can easily say that it's 3 upon 4 into this will be in divide form. The fraction is changed 3 upon 1, and what we are observing that these are in like terms. So variables a to the power a b c and a b c. Only in this case we can cut the variable. So this is your remaining part. Now minus, use bracket, minus, here b and b only variable can cut each other, rest are not. So 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 1 a square means a to the power 2 minus 1 into, here we can cut b and b part only because first they are in multiply form, second b and b only without power we have, so we can easily cancel this, they are like part. Then c square is there, so c to the power 2 minus 1, good, plus here what we have, we can easily cut a and a. So you must check this about the sign of the power at this place. Here we have in bracket 1 upon 7 into 3 upon 1, then b to the power 2 minus 1, and above there is no c, but below in denominator there is c. So what we write? We can write c to the power minus 1. Clear? So this is your next line. After that, what we write? We can write 9 upon 4. There is no variable, they cancels. So it's we can say here we have 6 upon 5, 2 minus 1 a and c, plus 3 upon 7 b c to the power minus 1, or we can write down, or we can write this as b upon c. Both are right format. This is your solution. Now our next part is polynomial by polynomial. In this case, division is polynomial and dividend is also polynomial. So how we solve such type of condition? Always remember, in such type of condition, even not only polynomial by polynomial, but if it is given divisor given monomial and this is monomial by polynomial, then in both the cases we use long division method, and we have to be very careful how to arrange them, how to solve them. I am not going to discuss the rules, because if I discuss the rules you may confuse. So directly I am going to solve each type of questions in the video, and all of you see them very carefully, what I am telling to you and what I am doing on board. So in this case I am choosing very simple polynomial. Here we have a polynomial of 4 terms and here we have polynomial of 2 terms. So how we divide these terms? Number first thing, always remember that arrange the dividend as well as divisor in descending order, means descending order of powers of one variable. So in this case I'm using this way of writing. You can use this way of writing also. So that's up to you. So in this case, I am arranging this x to the power 3, then next x square. So x square is the given, then x, okay, it is also given, then minus 2 means power to the power 0, constant degree is 0. So these are the terms with the decreasing order of degree. Even x minus 2 is already arranged in decreasing order of degree. Now, this is the arrangement, but how we use the quotient? Always remember that first term of this dividend, this divisor must be reduced the remaining first term, available first term of the dividend. So in case what is the first term? Always we see the first term. Always we see the first term of the remaining part or given part. It is x cube, it is x. So for dividing, we always take care of sign, that we use 1% so that we have the same variable with same sign. This is clear? So it is x to the, if I choose x square as a quotient, so what happens? Whenever we multiply x square with this polynomial, x square into x, we have x to the power 3 with plus sign, and then minus, plus into minus minus, x square into 2, we have 2x square. By using column method of subtraction, we change the sign of lower part. So what we are observing, that plus x cube minus x cube cancels each other. In this case, what we have? We subtract like terms, we have minus 2x square, and when we have minus 2x square, we bring the next part. We bring the next part of the polynomial, it is 7x. Then what is the, again we see the first part, it's a minus 2x square. So from which number we multiply x to get minus 2x square? Remember, minus 2x square. So we need minus, for minus 2 we need minus 2, and for x square here x only, so we need only 1x. What we have? Minus 2x square. Now minus 2x minus 2, we have plus 4x. Change the sign. So minus 2x square plus 2x square cancels. Here in both the part, why we change the sign? All of you know that we are doing the subtraction. So in this case we have 7 minus 4, 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. Now we again we have to need plus 3x. So multiply this by plus 3. What we have? We have 3x minus 6. Change the sign, cancels each other. It's a plus 4 or simply 4. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder, and this is the divisor of the dividend, this one, by using condition. So likewise we can divide. Okay, let's discuss one question. I am using only one question from your book so that you can easily understand. One already discussed and the next I am going to discuss. This is your question. It says that 6 plus x minus 4x square plus x cubed by x minus 3. See this question very carefully. In this case, variables are arranged in increasing order of degree, but in this case they are in decreasing order. What I told you, arrange the each expression in decreasing order of degrees. So here we can, so we note this one in this place, but changing the place of higher degree to lower degree. It's a plus x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6, x minus 3. Then use the same concept. First term must be divided the first term of the given dividend. It is your, if we use x square, then what we have? We have x to the power 3 plus both sides minus 3x square. It's clear? Now we change the sign. Do the subtraction, it cancels. In this case, do the subtraction, minus x square plus x. Though here we have two terms, so we always need two terms for the as a dividend. So in this case, minus x square is given. So for minus sign, because though we know that here we have plus sign, so we use minus, then multiply this by x. So what we have? We have minus x square, or minus into minus plus 3x. We are doing the subtraction by column wise, change the sign, cancels. We have minus 2x, bring down that plus 6, we have plus 6. Now again we need minus 2x. For minus 2x we need to divide, multiply by 2, this minus 2x minus plus 6. When we change the sign, cancel each other, remainder is 0. So this is your one method, one solution of polynomial by polynomial. Okay, I hope this concept is clear to you. I am not going to discuss more today. All of you try to solve 12D up to question number 3. This is your today's work. Next day we discuss more questions. That is only 2 questions are given. But till today, all of you do this one. And all of you, please be careful. If you view the videos, then you must do your work properly. You must solve all the questions given in your book. That's all for today. Thank you.